probably ruining your own grades, and you don't even realize it. One student studies for just 33 minutes a day, gets 8 hours of sleep, has a social life, and still ranks in the top 5%. Another student studies 4 or more hours every single day, sacrifices sleep, and is still barely passing. If you think the second student is working harder, that's exactly the problem. Because the issue isn't effort, it's how you're studying. And chances are, you're doing it wrong. Quick reality check. Rate your study method from 1 to 10. Be honest. Because by the end of this video, you might not like your answer. I used to be that second student. 3 a.m., coffee everywhere, notes everywhere, studying for 12 hours straight. Highlighting everything, rewriting everything, rereading everything. Doing everything that looks productive. But none of it was actually working. Because no matter how long I studied, nothing stuck. And the worst part? I thought I was doing it right. Until I failed. Here's the truth. You're not bad at studying. You've just been taught the wrong way. Most students are stuck in something called the productivity illusion. You highlight everything, reread chapters, make perfect notes, and convince yourself you're making progress. But you're not. Because your brain doesn't reward effort. It rewards engagement. Reading isn't learning. Highlighting isn't learning. Even taking notes isn't learning. If you're not actively using the information, you're forgetting it. This is the formula that changes everything. Learning equals information multiplied by retention. If you study 5 hours and retain 10%, you've barely learned anything. But if you study 1 hour and retain 50%, you win. So the real problem isn't that you're lazy. It's that you're inefficient. And once I fixed that, everything changed. Less study time, better results, straight A's. So here's what actually works. Study in short sessions, 30 to 60 minutes. Test yourself before you review. Focus on what you don't know. Explain what you learn out loud. Connect ideas together. And review before sleep. Now think about the score you gave yourself. Still confident? Because if not, good. That means you finally see the problem. You're not failing because you're dumb. You're failing because of your system. Fix that, and everything changes. Study less, learn smarter. Or keep doing what you're doing and stay stuck. Your choice.